Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious custard halwa. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of full-fat milk, half a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of custard powder, and a 1/4 cup of ghee. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a whisk ready. Also, prepare a greased tray or dish for setting your halwa later. These simple steps ensure a smooth start to your sweet treat. Now let's get cooking. In a small bowl, mix your 3 tablespoons of custard powder with about 1/4 cup of cold milk until it forms a lump-free, smooth slurry. Next, in your non-stick pan, heat the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk with half a cup of sugar over medium heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, slowly pour in your custard slurry, whisking constantly to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep stirring the mixture continuously over medium heat. This is crucial for achieving that perfect, thick consistency. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes for it to thicken significantly. Once it starts to pull away from the sides of the pan, add about 1/4 cup of ghee, stirring it in until fully absorbed. Now is also the time to add your favorite flavorings, like half a teaspoon of cardamom powder or a few saffron strands, for an aromatic touch. Once your halwa reaches the desired thickness and has absorbed the ghee, immediately pour it into your prepared greased tray. Spread it evenly using a spatula. Now comes the patience part. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 to 3 hours, or even longer, until it sets firm. Finally, cut your beautiful custard halwa into squares or diamonds and serve this delightful dessert to your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.